Hello everyone, this is Varun Dubey. I'm going to talk about our plugin BuddyPress Activity Filter. BuddyPress offers multiple type of activities, like when someone registers to the website, it registers as a new member, get registers. When they are making their profile updates, it's belong to the profile update sections, and regular blog post updates inside the activity section comes to the update area. Same for the personal updates and the group updates. When someone is accepting the friend request, it's coming as a friendship type activity. So based on these activity type, you have all type of activity under activity tab / activity, which is also known as a site-wide activity. You can filter these activity based on these actions, and you can also display a specific type of activity by default. So with our plugin BuddyPress Activity Filter, what we are going to do, we are going to hide some specific type of activities. It allows you to remove profile updates, new member updates, friendship requests, new groups creation, and all those things. You can simply hide them, and you can also set any default update type activity. So when you activate the plugin, you have some options like these. By default, the first option is display activity. Display activity is something like which type of activity you are going to display by default. Without our plugin, everything is selected by default. So if I'm going to select the update as a default activity type, after making these changes on the activity page, you will find all the updates is selected by default, and it will also display all the updates only. Okay, is post as an update, posted on an update, posted an update inside a group or on their individual profile. From both of them, it's only going to display all those things only. You can also switch to any filter, that's your choice. It's only making the changes which activity type you are going to display by default. The second criteria is hide activity. So it also allows you to hide some specific activity type. You can see that we had selected updates as a default, that's why it's not able to hide it. So you can hide others, just hiding others and displaying profile updates and group update. So on refreshing these activities types, if you're going to the everyone now, you will have only those updates which belong to the group, profile updates, topic updates, and the reply updates. Only these things are available for you now. Rest is completely hidden from the activity stream, and it will solve the purpose what you are going to display to your member regular basis, and also concentrate your content based on your requirement. Like I'm going to display only comment type activities. You can see that comment is missing from here, so all the comments is not going to display from here now. Thank you. If you have any specific questions, contact us from our support forums. Thank you.